the ultimate guide to the solo stove. Bonfire, features, setup, and benefits. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the amazing features of the Solo Stove Bonfire, the ultimate portable fire pit for your backyard or camping trips. We'll also show you how to set it up and use it for a perfect outdoor evening. Let's get started. The Solo Stove Bonfire is designed for efficiency and elegance. Made of durable 304 stainless steel, this fire pit is built to last and resist rust and corrosion. It's compact and lightweight, making it easy to transport wherever your adventures take you. Here's what makes it stand out. 360 degrees airflow design. The double wall construction and strategically placed air vents ensure a hotter, more efficient burn with minimal smoke. The double wall construction and strategically placed air vents ensure a hotter, more efficient burn with minimal smoke. This video serves as a comprehensive guide to the Solo Stove Bonfire, detailing its features, user setup instructions, and the enjoyable experience it offers for outdoor gatherings, while emphasizing its efficiency and easy cleanup. Low smoke output. Say goodbye to watery eyes and lingering odors. The bonfire uses secondary combustion to burn off smoke before it escapes. No ash mess. Its clever design collects ash at the bottom for easy cleanup. Portable size. With a diameter of 19.5 inches and weighing just 20 pounds, it's perfect for your backyard, patio, or a campsite. It's perfect for your backyard, patio, or a campsite. Accessories available. You can pair it with the Solo Stove stand, a spark screen, or a cooking grate for added versatility. Now let me show you how easy it is to set up and use the Solo Stove Bonfire. Here's what you'll need. Dry firewood, small kindling or fire starter, a lighter or matches. Step 1. Place your Solo Stove Bonfire on a stable fireproof surface. If you're on a deck or grass, use the Solo Stove stand for added safety. Step 2. Add your kindling and fire starter to the bottom of the fire pit. Arrange the firewood on top in a crisscross or teepee pattern to promote airflow. Step 3. Light the kindling and let the airflow design do the rest. Within minutes, you'll have a roaring fire. The bonfire's efficient burn means you'll use less wood while enjoying longer-lasting flames. It's perfect for making s'mores, warming up on chilly nights, or simply creating memorable moments with family and friends. Cleanup is a breeze. Once the bonfire cools down, simply dump out the ash and wipe it clean. It's ready for your next adventure. Host. So there you have it, the Solo Stove Bonfire, a smokeless, efficient, and portable fire pit that's perfect for any outdoor occasion. If you're ready to elevate your outdoor experience, check out the link in the description to grab yours today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and happy bonfiring!